y'all, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name's Alicia and I share beauty and lifestyle videos, so I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of shopping in Nashville, so if y'all want to follow along, then just keep watching. Okay, I had to put my cute new jacket on. I cannot drive a long distance in a coat. I like to be nice and comfortable, and Nashville is 2 hours away from where I live. I just got to Green Hills Mall, which is one of my favorite malls, and I'm actually going in Louis Vuitton. So I will chat with y'all on my way in because it's normally an hour wait, so I need to go ahead and put my name down, and then they text you whenever it's your turn. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll probably chat with y'all on the way. So let's go in the mall. And here's my destination. Y'all, I have got to get better at vlogging. You would think after 4+ years I would be a better vlogger. Nope. So I barely vlogged at all inside. So in my defense, just a little bit, it's normally about an hour wait at Louis Vuitton, and I was able to go right in. So I was expecting to put my name down. They text you whenever there is a client advisor ready for you. And so I was gonna go check in. I was gonna go to Nordstrom, to Macy's, just chill out, vlog, chat with y'all. And then they were like, oh, hang on, let me find a client advisor for you. And then they're like, here you go. I was like, oh, so it kind of threw me off guard because, is that the right phrase? Threw me off guard? It threw me off because I was expecting to wait an hour and I was able to go right in, which I'm not complaining at all. I did a thing. So I will show y'all whenever I get home because it's too much trouble to get it all out. So I will do an unboxing whenever I get home, but it is already 4 o'clock. I had to try on, I got shoes. I'll go ahead and tell y'all that. I had to try on like three or four different pairs. I'm normally a size 8, which is a 38 in European sizes. That's what size my Louis Vuitton sneakers are. So I was like, let's just do that. They run small. And they, I think, are going to stretch out a little bit. So I think I ended up getting a 39. So size 9. But I feel like a lot of people size up in boots since you wear like thicker socks. But, oh, I didn't say what I got. I got boots. But I love them. They're not the boots that I originally wanted because the ones I wanted are sold out and you can't even order them. Like, none of the Louis Vuitton stores have them. So I made a friend. So she gave me her business card and I text her so she would have my information, and then if they ever do come back in stock or if they become available to order, she's going to let me know. I hope my husband doesn't watch this because he's probably like, no, you got those, no more shoes. And of course I had to get a Starbucks, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and head home. I might stop at the Home Goods in Mount Juliet because that is like a TJ Maxx Home Goods and it's like really big. I actually do need to at least get out of Nashville because it is about to be rush hour and I can't vlog because I need my phone for directions so I don't get lost. So I will either see y'all at Home Goods or at home. Okay, so it's a TJ Maxx and Home Goods like together. So let's just see what they got. Oh, look at all the cute Valentine's stuff. I probably should not have came in here because y'all look at this. But I think some of this would be cute on my piano. I don't know if I told y'all or not. I think I was saying it maybe on Instagram. Yeah, I put it on my Instagram stories. But I was saying that I wanted to decorate my piano normal. Look at these gnomes. Look at how cute. Look how cute these chairs are. Those are adorable. Oh my gosh. How stinking cute is this teapot? I don't use a teapot. I just use my Keurig if I need hot water. But that is adorable. Hello, it is actually another day. I had planned on filming whenever I got out of Home Goods, but it was starting to get dark and I knew that y'all wouldn't be able to see me in the car, so I was gonna wait until I got home and show y'all what I got at Louis. Well, whenever I got home, I filmed like a casual unboxing for my Instagram stories, and then I filmed like a cute unboxing for my Reels and TikTok. And then I had stopped and got me and my husband some supper and we ate that. And I honestly didn't feel like filming. And then last week, I think it was, I realized that I never showed y'all what I got. And since I got the shoes in Nashville, I got something else. So y'all are gonna get two unboxings. I'm actually in Bowling Green, Kentucky right now. And I'm about to go into TJ Maxx because I am part of this Louis group on Facebook, and someone shared that their TJ Maxx had Louis Vuitton pictures. So that is what I'm on the hunt for. I don't have high hopes because this doesn't really look like a good TJ Maxx, but it might surprise me. And then I might go back to that Home Goods in Mount Juliet that I stopped at on my way home from Nashville because I didn't know about the pictures at the time, and that Home Goods had a huge section of pictures and I didn't look at them, and I can almost bet that they have some. So they do have an Impressions vanity mirror. It is $130 and I'll have to look it up, but I'm pretty sure this size is way more than that. And then they also have a smaller one and it's just $35. It's a white marble light up mirror. Okay, sorry, it's so bright. The sun is like right there, but no luck at TJ Maxx. I think I said it before I went in, I did not have high hopes. They had quite a few pictures, but no Louis pictures. But I did go to Target after, and I did get a few things, so I wanted to show y'all real quick. How stinking cute are these? They were $5. They were in the dollar section, and I'm gonna hang them on our bed on the doors because I think that would be super cute for Valentine's Day. I love them so much. And I got two puzzles. I don't know what it is with me and puzzles lately, but I got two. So I wasn't gonna get this one, but once again it has all the pink, and I was like, you know what, if I don't get it I'm gonna regret it like the Aladdin one. So I got it, and this one's just a 300 piece, so this shouldn't take me too long. And then I saw this one, it's 1,000 pieces, so it'll probably take me quite a while. I think that Barbie one that I just got is 1,000 and I'm not even halfway done with it, but it is Venice. And in case you are new here, or I actually don't know if I have talked about it before, but me and my husband went to Italy for our honeymoon. We went to Rome, Venice, and Florence. Not in that order. We went to Rome, Florence, and then Venice was last. And so I thought that would be neat to do. Oh, the memories. I would love to go back. If you ever get the chance, you have to go to Italy, and it was just amazing. But yeah, that's actually all I got. And then I did get some Windex and paper towels because my windshield is filthy from the drive up with like all the salt and stuff, and my washer fluid is frozen, so it's not working. That's actually all I got, but I just wanted to show y'all. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog anymore this trip because I'm going home tomorrow, but if I do stop in Mount Juliet at that big Home Goods, I will take y'all along with me. But if not, I will see y'all at home. Okay, I'm back in Mount Juliet at the TJ Maxx Home Goods. Yes, I have on the same sweatshirt as yesterday. I'm on my way home and I just wanted to be comfy, and it's still a little chilly. It's 45. It warmed up to like 50, and that is still cold to me, but since it has been like in the 20s, 50 is pretty warm. So I'm on a different mission this time. Last time I just wanted to look around, but this time I want to find some Louis Vuitton pictures. So wish me luck. And there's a Ross down there that I might go in because sometimes they have some cute home stuff, but we will see. Welp, no luck. There wasn't anything even similar at Home Goods, and there was only 2 aisles with the pictures. The rest were picture frames, so I'm kind of bummed about that. I did go ahead and walk on down to Ross, and I saw a cute Chanel picture, but that's not what I was looking for. So yeah. Okay, I'm back home from Bowling Green, and I'm finally going to do my unboxing. So I think I mentioned this earlier, but I actually have another Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with y'all after I show y'all what I got in Nashville. I never showed y'all, and I think I did say that it was a pair of shoes, and if you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen them, but I'm still going to unbox them, kind of. But the Louis Vuitton shoes come in individual dust bags, and I really like that just for traveling purposes, especially with my white Louis tennis shoes, because I don't want them to get scuffed up or anything, and I did take those as well. So let's open them up. So here is what they look like. It is the monogram, and then the black, this part is like elastic, and then it has like the Louis Vuitton on the front, and then it has the LV on the heels. And I didn't even notice, my husband is the one that noticed when I was showing him whenever I got home. He was like, is one supposed to be backwards? So you can see they are opposite. I was like, you know what? I don't know. I didn't even notice. And then I looked online. They're supposed to be that way. But yeah, I had no idea. So before I ramble on anymore, let me show y'all. And I did put it back in the box and dust bag because I actually took it and wore it this weekend. You may have saw the strap earlier. So this one was actually pre-loved. We got it from Anne's Fabulous Designs, I think is what it's called. Let me double check. Yes, Anne's Fabulous Finds. It's a luxury consignment. So it says that everything is guaranteed authentic, and even if there is the slightest little bitty chance that it's not authentic, they will not sell it. So it is authentic, and I am so obsessed. I love it so much. This is definitely my new favorite purse. I love it. So it is embossed, and it is hot pink, if you couldn't tell. And then this is the giant monogram is what it's called, and then on the side you can see it has the embossed like normal size, and it's on both sides, and then on the front and back it has the giant logo, and it came with a strap. So I don't know if all of them come with a strap, but I did see a couple for sale without it, but I wanted it because with it being this small, I am going to use it as a crossbody. So that is what y'all saw earlier whenever I was going back to Home Goods, because I have the Neverfulls, and that is what I use as like my everyday purse, and this is just way too small for my everyday purse, and I have been wanting a crossbody, and this is absolutely perfect. This barely fits. This is the little wristlet that comes in the Neverfull, and this is what I keep like my cards and cash, license and keys all in. That way if I don't want to take my purse, I can just take this out, and yeah, it barely fits, but it fits. And then I can slide my phone down in the side, and then let me get them closer so y'all can see the inside. So this did come with the Louis Vuitton box, and then the blue ribbon that goes around the box, and the dust bag. I was gonna show y'all whenever I got it out of the box, but I was running my mouth. Please ignore my appearance and my attire. I'm in my comfy clothes. So here is what the inside looks like. It does have a hook if you want to close it together like that, but I don't ever close mine. So it does have 2 pockets on this side, and that is where I kept my lip gloss, and then the other side has a zipper pocket, so I really like that as well. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good size for a small purse. So this is the On The Go PM, which is the smallest size of the On The Go bags, and it was a limited edition color. It is freesia, I think is how you say it, but I am so obsessed. But that is going to be it for this random January vlog. I am so excited to be vlogging again, and in case you missed it, I plan on doing monthly vlogs every month this year, and I am very excited for February's because I have something actually in 2 weeks. I actually have something exciting planned, and I'm going to take you along with me. I don't know if I will be able to film a lot, but I will film as much as I can, and then of course I will let y'all know what's happening and all that. And I honestly think that's the only thing I have going on in February, but who knows what else will happen. But I'm going to vlog it. So if you are excited about my monthly vlogs, and if you enjoyed this random one, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other vlogs and my other videos. I post a new one every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.